Why is it smoking so much? Dude, hey, oil's leaking. Hey, oil's leaking. I haven't made a vlog in so long, but today we're gonna help my cousin finish his four-wheeler, the Raptor 700, because after he crashed it, the frame got bent. So we're gonna fire up the Stang, get a nice little cold start going. It is 22 degrees outside. That's probably the coldest cold start I've done on this car since I put the Pro Charger on it, for sure. Say some quick beef stew for breakfast. Thanksgiving was yesterday. And the old tractor making some noise. It'll probably be fine though. Smack the rev limiter a couple times. It'll be all good. Man, this thing sounds good though. Alright, so I get a lot of things, people saying I beat on it after not letting it warm up. But obviously I wait until at least the cylinder head temp's 100, and at least if it's up above that mark. So I really don't beat on this car until I do warm it up, and especially with it being 22 degrees outside, especially with the Pro Charger setup. I've never heard of anybody Pro Charging their car and driving it through winter. I guess we'll see what happens. Gotta get the unit in out, just never know. Hope this belt stops squeaking, because sometimes, oh there you go, it went into first. Sometimes it doesn't want to go into first and I have to throw it into third for a little bit, move up, and then it almost scratched the shit out of my car with this. Okay, just some slight damage. We'll see. Hopefully we get this quad done tonight, and if it snows I'll be badass, because some snow drifting tonight would be nice. The squeaking finally did stop, so I think the belts just had to be spun up a little bit, and that's all. Made it to the shop nicely. We got Ketchup Boy. We got the quad. The Raptor exploded on accident. Oh, curva. Just put the engine in the other day. Alright, vlog cut short. Of course, I get a service call. 93-year-old ladies. I gotta go take care of this. I'll be back at the shop after that. Dude, this frame is so tweaked. It's actually pretty insane. Oh my god. First problem, to take this old out, we need this socket, or this Allen. So we have a new one to screw it to there. Back to Rich's Yamaha. Just put some other shit on, throw the intake on. Hey, you think this thing's gonna be ripping by the end of today?
Yeah, that's my plan.
Yeah? Subframe on nicely. Gotta change sprocket. Wow, wow, wow. Stick your finger in here. Special with it.
Let me record you, bro.
Let me wipe this on your shirt, bro.
What up, buddy? We're back at it.
Okay. You don't have prostate cancer, so that's a good sign.
This is the most fucking YouTube video ever.
Buddy.
Fuck-ass YouTube video ever.
So nice little progress. She actually steers. First start. Are you excited or what? Not at all. I'm excited. It's spark, kurwa, chuja robi. Oh, she gonna blow up for sure. Spark. So hey, hold the spark plug. I'm gonna test it to see if it works.
Put your wiener in it.
I hope you're not riding it. There's no chain. It's working. Wow. Why did it start? It was under the Audi. Oh yeah. Dude, the alarm's going off. Ale kurwa pali.
I just looked. It's still there.
What did you do? Holy fuck. Fucking alarms are going off. Yeah, pierdolę. It's still going. The fuck is this cancer ass shit? Why is it smoking so much? Dude, I can't believe it set the trucks off, bro. Did you get scared that some shit blew up? Dude, hey, oil's leaking. Hey, oil's leaking. Peter, shut it off. Oil's leaking. Look. Ale kurwa jaja. Probably when we pulled the engine out or something, it got tapped.
I was not in charge of that one.
Did you forget to tighten
I
it?
was not in charge of that one, bro. Don't even look at me like that.
Ale kurwa kopci, dude. The Claptor. Exhausting like a motherfucker, bro. Is this bitch in gear? Success?
You didn't do shit, bro.
Guys, I did all of this by myself. They didn't do shit. They just smoked and drank. Give us some more beans. I missed it. Hey, you revved it, not me.
Give us some more beans.
Hope if it snows, we're bringing it out like a skeleton like it is right now. Hope it's snow drifting this whole. That's it. Game over, kurwa. Ale zjebałeś wszystko, dude.
Kuczyk, pick that shit up, bro.
Hell no, fuck
Pick
you.
that shit up, bro.
You pick it up.
Pick that shit up.
I ain't picking up
Pick
shit.
it up. Pick it up,
I
bro.
ain't picking up.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Oh shit. Fucking shot. Oh, shit. Glasses.
I ain't picking up shit.
You got your glasses?
Oh.